Hello everyone and welcome back to Headline Home Design. Today we are diving into the exciting world of dining room interior design and exploring the hottest trends for 2024. Get ready to be inspired as we showcase some stunning dining rooms featuring bold and bright colored dining tables. If you are looking to give your dining space a vibrant makeover, you are in the right place. Let's jump right in. One of the standout trends this year is the use of bold and bright colors in dining room interiors. Forget about the traditional neutral tones we used, but it's all about making a statement with your dining table. Vibrant hues can instantly inject energy and personality into your space. Now let's take a look at some fabulous examples as you can see here. First up, we have the trend of electric reds and fiery oranges. These daring colors are perfect for those who want to create a lively and energetic atmosphere in their dining area. Imagine gathering around a table that radiates warmth and passion. It's a game changer for any dining room. Moving on to the sunshine yellows and citrus greens, or now we can say it's a trendy color turmeric. These colors are all about creating a cheerful and uplifting dining experience. Whether it's a sunny breakfast nook or a vibrant dinner setting, these colors can transform your dining area into a lively haven of positivity. Mixing and matching bold colors. Now, if you are feeling adventurous, why not mix and match bold colors for a truly eclectic look? For those who love a calming and serene ambience, ocean blue and aqua turquoise are the way to go. These cool tones bring a sense of tranquility to your dining space, making it the perfect retreat for a relaxed meal with friends and family. There you have it, the dining room interior design trends for 2024, featuring bold and bright colored tables. Whether you prefer the warmth of red and oranges, the cheerfulness of yellow and green, the calmness of blue and aqua, or a mix of them all, there's a trend for everyone. Which color palette are you most excited to try in our dining space? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more design inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a trend update. Thanks for joining us today, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, happy decorating.